Imagine running your e-commerce brand like the top 1%. Every morning, you wake up and your business has already briefed you. Your profit, revenue, winning skills, or your forecast, all delivered directly into your Slack mobile phone before you even open your laptop. That is exactly why we built the Profitability Copilot AI. Quick backstory. This system was not built for public at all. It started as a private build for Kyo, a 50 million skincare brand that needed faster, clearer decision making across their multiple stores and countries. The founder Matt, he was telling me he needed answers instantly, a way to get the right information fast without digging. He needed his business to talk to him, not the other way around. So we built an internal prototype, an AI agent that could read Shopify, Meta, and all his sales channels to understand context, calculate profitability, break down any requests into tasks, and return clear insights immediately. And once we saw how fast it helped him make decisions, 7-figure decisions, we rebuilt the entire system into a universal AI agent that anyone can now use it and plug it into their own system. This is the Profitability Copilot, your store's analyst, data team, and strategists all within Slack. It still uses your dashboards and spreadsheets in the backend, but instead of digging through rows, tabs, or endless reports, you just ask it and it gives you the summary you actually need. This is not ChatGPT guessing numbers. This is real Shopify, Meta, and Google Sheet backend data flowing through your n8n pipelines, all powered by AI automation. Let me show you how it works. Alright, let's start with the simplest and most common question. What was our profit yesterday? And watch what happens. The AI agent now breaks down the request, pulls all the data from Shopify and Meta, and starts the filter by date. And then it formats the dataset to run the calculation. At the very end, it will start to clean the information and reproduce a structured Slack message like so. Here, we'll be able to see revenue, gross profit, contribution margin, best performing SKU, or our worst performing SKU, along with spend versus return data and any anomaly the AI agent spots. This is real operational intelligence. Now, let's try something else. Let's ask, which SKU performed the best in the last 7 days? Or how did Australia compare against the US this week? Or even, show me products with declining profit trend this month. The AI agent now handles all of it because it understands your Shopify data and your Meta ad account data and the context of how an e-com store would work. When you're planning campaigns, this is where the Copilot becomes extremely useful. Instead of digging through multiple tabs on your dashboard to collect the numbers you need, you can just call this AI within your Slack app and ask the exact data points you are looking for. Something like, show me the SKU breakdown for the last 2 weeks so I can prepare for my creative strategy. You will get the exact metric you need to make fast and confident decisions. Next, the daily brief feature. Imagine every morning at 8 a.m. without you having to do anything. Your AI agent sends you a full breakdown of your business performance. Metrics which will include revenue, profit, top SKUs, or your worst performing product, contribution margin, which is very important, yesterday's performance compared to the previous day, or any trend that you should be paying attention to. It's like having a morning newspaper, but for your e-commerce store. This is perfect for founders who don't have enough time to dig through the dashboards, but still need information to move fast. Now, let's jump into the third part of this system, the forecasting agent. This one works differently. Instead of typing a question, you can trigger this functionality through a Slack command like typing /forecast like so, and choose whether you want a 7-day, 30-day, or a 60-day projection. In the back end, it goes back in time. For example, in the last 7 days, it will start to pull your Shopify numbers, filter the date range, and restructure the dataset into an array, and sends the clean data information straight into the forecasting model. And here's where it becomes incredibly useful for operators. Instead of guessing whether your next week will be strong or whether you're pacing ahead/behind, the forecasting agent gives you a projected revenue line, profit line, and a summary of expected performance based on your real data. No opinions or AI insights, but actual trend from your Shopify store. For founders, this means you can 1. Plan out your inventory ahead of time without overstocking. You can start to also predict your cash flow before you make spending decisions, predict when to push or pause your ads, validate whether your daily performance is normal or you're hitting some sort of anomaly. It basically replaced the gut feeling that most e-com founders rely on. Instead, every morning you get a forward-looking snapshot of where the business is actually heading, and you can adjust your decisions accordingly. Alright, let's jump backstage for a minute, because if you've been watching my channel for a while, and I know you do, you know we have always shown you the engine behind the system. This Copilot is not just ChatGPT talking to your Shopify store. It's powered by 3 separate n8n flows, each doing a very specific job to keep the entire system fast, reliable, and accurate. This is the main brain. Whenever you type a question inside Slack, the workflow starts to use Slack trigger that grabs your message instantly. That message gets passed into LLM parser, and this is a very important step. The LLM does not try to figure out everything at once. It breaks your question down into a structured task. So if you ask something like, show me my profit yesterday and the top 3 SKUs, the model turns it into a clean instruction within the system so that it can understand. And once the tasks are defined, the workflow then starts to pull all this information from your Shopify store and Meta ad account into this Google Sheet. Now, this version is not a filtered version, but instead your data will be displayed in full table format. We purposely keep all filtered logic within n8n, not Google Sheets, so that you can swap any data set in the future and the program will still work. And that's how we make this a universal plug-and-play template. After the data is pulled, everything gets reformatted into arrays. We do this so that the AI agent has a clean, predictable structure to read, and this also cuts AI credits significantly. Then, Shopify and Meta ad account data are merged, filtered based on exactly what you asked for, and then sent into an AI agent for analysis. Finally, the system takes the result and transforms it into a clean Slack message, the same message you saw earlier. The entire workflow is built to be modular. If you want to attach more tables or more metrics later, you can just slot them in without breaking anything. The second workflow runs completely on its own. At 8 a.m. every morning, the cron trigger fires the whole entire process and kicks it off automatically. It formats today's date and starts to pull your entire Shopify and your Meta ad account datasets, then filters everything down to just yesterday's performance. From there, it starts to calculate your revenue, COGS, profit, contribution margin, and SKU level winners/losers. All of that raw data gets run through a JavaScript node like so, and that reshapes it into a neat package. And then the package is sent to an AI agent, which turns it into the morning brief that you saw earlier. This workflow needs zero maintenance, and because it uses the sheet as the source of truth, it stays in sync even if you onboard a new store or refresh all historical information. The third workflow behaves a little differently. Instead of normal message, you trigger it using a / command within your Slack. You pick whether you want a 7-day, 30-day, or a 60-day projection, and here's what happens. The workflow captures today's date, calculates the backward window, and then filters your Shopify rows into matching that time frame. It builds a clean dataset, attaches the channel ID, and sends everything into the forecasting model. The result is a projection, an expected revenue along with your expected profit, and a short forward-looking summary based on your actual historical behavior. Then everything gets formatted and sent back into the same Slack channel you were in, and because we return the channel ID, the same AI agent works across multiple channels within your workspace. Let's come back to the agent for a second. This isn't just convenience. This is speed, clarity, and decision making without friction. Founders use this to validate product launches and plan campaigns with real numbers, track profitability without digging, and keep the whole team aligned on a day-to-day basis. Reduce any mistake from manual data pull and replace hours of manual Excel work with a line of Slack message. And honestly, most stores don't need more dashboards. They need faster access to the right answers. That is exactly what this system gives you. If you want to get updates to our builds, see more automation like this, and learn how to deploy this system into your own store, join our AI Automation Hub, and the link is in the description below. We drop new workflow, dashboards, and automation lessons every single week. And if you find this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and leave us a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.